Welcome to Dash Radio Network's centerstack720 software training tutorial. In order to view and create reports using centerstack720 software module, your company must be a subscriber to Nielsen Audio. This section of the Dash Matrix software suite is proprietary, encrypted, and may not be copied or otherwise distributed in any way or form in accordance to the terms and conditions that are documented and set forth in the permissible usage section of the licensing agreement between Dash Radio Network, LLC, and your company. This is a tutorial on how to use centerstack720 software when creating reports that provide detailed measurements of in-car radio viewing audiences who are traveling in RDS, which stands for Radio Data System, and HD radio-enabled vehicles, while tuned into specific radio stations in all 210 DMAs throughout the country. The tutorial will give you step-by-step instructions on how to create RDS and HD radio in-car viewing audiences exposure to Dash radio messaging that is specific to market, vehicle make, vehicle model year, radio station, and radio station day parts. Viewing audiences are segmented by vehicle's owner demographics, including gender, age, and ethnicity. Once you have selected the market, the various vehicle targets, and the demographic targets, and then click Search, the results of your search query will show the total number of RDS-enabled vehicles, the total number of HD radio-enabled vehicles, and the combined total of RDS and HD radio-enabled vehicles, and the vehicle owners that match the target segments you selected in your search query. Each search query will also show the total number of all vehicles on the road in each market, regardless of whether or not they are RDS or HD radio enabled. And this result includes the total number of vehicles in operation for all adults 18 plus and regardless of whether or not they are enabled with RDS or HD radio receivers. The benefit of using the centerstack720 software is to determine the number of RDS and HD radio enabled vehicles and traveling audience demographics that best match your target markets. In this example, we will create a report that is based on a single vehicle make, model, and vehicle owner profile. Let's begin by selecting a market from the drop-down box. Let's select Chicago. Now, let's select a specific vehicle make, Toyota, a specific model, Toyota Camry, and the Camry model year 2016. Now let's select from the Camry owner demographic options. From the gender drop-down box, let's select female. The age is preset to adults 18 plus. For ethnicity, select Black. The day part is preset to 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. Now that each required criteria has been entered, let's click Search. The results of this query will now show on the right part of your screen. In this example, the results of this query show that the Chicago market rank is third. Here, you see that there are 6,287,977 total vehicles on the road in the Chicago market. The total number of RDS-enabled 2014 Toyota Camrys on the road is 21. And the total number of HD radio-enabled Camrys on the road is 17. The combined number of RDS and HD radio-enabled 2016 Toyota Camrys that match your search query targets is 21. Now, let's create a report that is based on multiple model years of a specific vehicle make and owner profile. Start by clicking Reset so we can clear out the data from this search and enter new search criteria. In this example, let's begin by selecting Chicago as the market. For make, select Toyota. For model, select Camry. And for model years, we will select all, which includes model years 2002 through 2018. Select WTMX-FM for the radio station. For gender, select females. Age is preset to 18 plus. Select Black. The day part is preset to 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. Click Search. Here are the results of this in-car viewing audience measurement profile based on multiple model years. Here you see once again that there are 6,287,977 total vehicles in Chicago, which is the third largest market. Based on targets selected, the total number RDS-enabled vehicles for Toyota Camrys, including model years 2002 through 2018, is 455. And the total number of HD radio-enabled Camrys is 117. The combined total number of RDS and HD radio-enabled 2002 through 2018 Toyota Camrys that match your search query targets is 455. Now, let's create a report that encompasses all model years of all vehicles and all owners. Start by clicking Reset. Select Chicago. Select All for the make, All for the model, select All for model years. Select WTMX FM for the radio station. Gender, select All. Age is preset to 18 plus. Select All for ethnicity. The day part is preset to 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. Now click Search. Based on the targets selected, the results of this total vehicle and owner profile report show that in the Chicago market, the total number RDS-enabled vehicles on the road is 732,639, and the total number of HD radio-enabled vehicles on the road is 169,236. The combined total number of RDS and HD radio-enabled vehicles on the road and tuned in to WTMX FM in Chicago that match your search query targets is 732,639. Creating RDS and HD radio in-car radio viewing audience profile reports is easy using Dash Radio Network's centerstack720 software. For a detailed PDF how-to instructional overview, visit www.dashradionetwork.com/support.